Yes, students, the next circuit is the LC circuit or LC oscillations. So in this LC circuit, a coil of inductance L and a capacitor of capacitance C are connected in series and joined to an AC source. So this is called LC circuit as shown. So LC circuit. This is AC supply, this is inductance, and this is capacitance. The voltage across L is VL, voltage across C is VC. So this is the LC circuit. AC supply. The AC supply of this circuit, that is V equal to V naught sin omega t. So this AC supply is connected across this circuit. Now the phasor diagram. In this phasor diagram, this is the direction of current. This is, say, voltage VL. This is current. So VL leads the current and VC. So this is phi equal to plus pi by 2. And this, suppose the voltage across capacitor VC, and the phase difference is minus pi by 2, or the voltage lags behind. So this is the phasor diagram. Resultant voltage. Resultant voltage of this circuit. So see, this VL and VC both are oppositely in phase at 180 degree. So phase difference is 180 degree. So resultant voltage V equals to the difference of VL and VC. VL difference VC. So this is the resultant voltage. If VL greater than VC, the circuit will be inductive. So impedance will be inductive. If VL less than VC, so it is capacitive. If VL equal to VC. So if VL equal to VC, so resultant voltage is 0. Resultant voltage is 0. So here the resultant voltage is inductive, resultant voltage is capacitive, and this VL equal to VC, so the resultant voltage is 0, and this is called a resonant circuit. Resonant circuit. This is inductive circuit. This is capacitive circuit. So these are the different voltages across this circuit. at resonance, the voltage or resultant voltage is 0, or we can say VL minus VC equal to 0, or VL equal to VC, or it is IXL equal to IXC, or we can write XL equal to XC. So this is also a condition of resonance. This is the condition of resonance, VL equal to VC. So XL equal to omega L, or XC equal to 1 upon omega C, or we can write frequency F equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 1 upon LC. So this is the frequency of resonance. So frequency of resonance. So in this case, the voltage sometimes in the resultant voltage will be with phase difference plus pi by 2, or sometimes it will be with minus pi by 2. So this is the frequency. The impedance or the reactance of this circuit, the opposition offered by this circuit in the flow of current, so it is XL difference XC, or it is measured in ohm, or it is omega L minus or difference 1 upon omega C. So this is the reactance. The phase difference, that is pi by 2. So pi by 2 means if it is inductive circuit, so phase difference will be tan phi will be plus pi by 2 for inductive circuit. For capacitive circuit, this will be minus pi by 2. So this is the phase difference in the circuit, and in this AC circuit, the voltage across VL or voltage across VC. So some type of oscillation starts. So in this case, the capacitor starts charging. When it is charged to the maximum value, then discharges. When the source is removed, so it discharges through this coil or inductive coil. So when the current flows towards this, so magnetic energy is developed, and after a while this magnetic energy again converted into electrical energy or charge, or capacitor started to or being charged. So magnetic energy converted into electrical energy, or electrical energy converted into magnetic energy. So such type of oscillations continue to go on. So these are called as the LC oscillations. So these are the LC oscillations. So here electrical energy converted into magnetic energy or magnetic energy into electrical energy. So magnetic energy, that is half Li square, and this is Q square upon 2C. So this continue to go out with a frequency f equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 1 upon LC. So these are the LC oscillations. Thank you.